can't believe I just did a Colleen Hoover review in a Target store. Like, are you kidding me? Hi guys, guess where I'm going? To Target right now. I wanted to see how the offers on the books are. Target always has the best offers when it comes to books.
Para mí poder soñar como lo hacen en los cuentos y los libros.
There are people who either love or hate this brand, so I have no idea if I should try it or I shouldn't. This cereal right here, it's literally my weakness. They'll have flavors like peanut butter, almond, but they'll not have the one that's the best, which is pretzel. I mean, caramel is also always available. Why is pretzel never available here? This one is literally not available in paperback. I want the paperback version, but it's only available in hardcover, and that depresses me. It's made one of the favorite thriller books that I read. I would definitely give this 4 stars. I love this book. Another book that I've seen getting recommended on Book Talk a lot, but again this is available in hardcover only. Once I finish Mastery, I'm gonna get this book for sure. This is again another Robert Greene book, and I heard it's really good, and this is actually his most famous book, so I'm gonna buy this after Mastery. This is such a sad book, like it's so sad. I remember almost crying while reading this book. It was very sad. I obviously want to read this book and I want to buy this one, but it's not on sale. Why Target? Why are you making me cry? I think I have almost all the Colleen Hoover books that I pretty much read. So let's start with my recommendations. Maybe someday it's like an okay-ish read. I would give this 3 on 5. You can skip it if you want, but all your perfects 2 on 5. Only read it if your book is cheating. Yes, this one is definitely a 3.5 on 5. Much better than most of the books that I've read by Colleen Hoover. Definitely my second favorite book by her. Merit another 3.5. This is more like high schoolish romance, but then it has like topics like depression and like family drama, trauma, things like that. So it's like shocking revelations, like family secrets and stuff like that, but it was still a very interesting read. So yeah, 3.5 on 5. Reminders of Him is one of her latest books, and I have to be honest, it felt like a replica of Confess, so I would give this a 2 on 5. Regretting You, another 3 on 5. The only book that I haven't read, and I have to start reading this. Maybe I'm gonna buy this book. Should I buy this book? Should I not buy this book? Let me know. November 9, I think one of my least favorite books by her. I didn't like this book at all. I would give this like 1 or 1.5 stars. I don't even know why I read this book. It was very boring. It Ends With Us. I read this book because of Book Talk, and it just broke my heart into a million little pieces. I don't know if I recommend this. I would still say it was a 3 stars on 5 for sure. Verity, probably the only book I definitely recommend you to read it. Again, this one without the exclusive or the bonus chapters. You'd only like it without that. So yeah, 4 or 4.5 stars on 5 for sure. I Can't believe I just did a Colleen Hoover review in a Target store. Like, are you kidding me? This is a series and this is the new one that has come. I already have this book and I still haven't finished it because it's like 500 pages. So yeah, after I finish this, maybe I'll get this one and this one, but I heard it's pretty good, so let's see how it is. I know this writer and she's hilarious, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. Honestly, there are times like I come to Target to just honestly people who either work